you start to second guess because you're... Oh, white noise from Luna. This could be it.
Round. Someone said that this was sick, and actually going for that air raid crash.
Air raid trash! Air raid trash! One!
I think referee Hugh just saw that.
Well, it's in his discretion. Oh, air raid flash just on the back of the head.
Gets walloped. Shax is up. Oh! Dani Luna! Air raid crash!
She manages to catch him in that.
Fall away again.
Oh!
Onto the shoulders.
Onto the shoulders. But a Brock Lesnar air raid trash! And it connects.
That could be it.
It's in professional wrestling. Man is damage to your body. Could be going for it.
Oh, air raid crash. Dunks it down and.
But Luna counters. Oh, air raid crash from Luna.
She's got her up. Toxic. Oh! Wow, white noise.
And Luna now hoists Shana up onto the shoulders. Oh, what a Samoan drop!
And
She's
goes
sinking.
down. Ah, she squats and powers back up. Oh!
Kryptonite crunch.
That's gotta be it.
Man, Shax is getting bullied by these two. Kryptonite crunch! Oh! Into the...
Her across the knee.
Not sure how much she got of that.
Oh, kryptonite crunch. That could be it.
Jaw and just wailing on Dani Luna.
He used to slap as hard as that before a trip. And then went air raid crash.
Out there.
Oh my god.
Air raid trash.
Power of Dani Luna, but Ginny, well, trying to grab anything she could, spins around. Oh wow! Oh, Eric crash in.
More damage to the ball than it did to Dani. Oh! I don't know what she calls.
Jetta. Air raid crash. Come on, one.
It's up to his feet. He just got in. Only just.
And the skin of his teeth.
Dropped on the back of his.
That'll stop you. Good night. Oh, that's it.
Cover. This one going up a couple of gears. Oh. On the back of his neck lands wild ball. What a big slap.
Oh, Dani Luna.
Oh, no way.
Oh, that's a big air raid run. That could be it.
As quickly as possible because she's going to still keep going for that arm.
Quarter in the heat. It is hard.
Angelo. Whoa. Angelo was looking, I think, for the spin.
Roll up from Alex Windsor. Dani Luna kicks out. Oh, she's going to pick up. Air raid crash. My God.
Oh, big forearm that rocks Harrison Bennett.
Oh. Oh my!
Oh, big air raid crash.
In wrist control, Dani Luna backs out.
Air raid crash.
Oh my goodness, the back of the head.
Perhaps for her to hit it. She's going to try again for a power bomb. What's she going for? Oh, air raid crash there. Dani Luna trying for a headlock takedown. In the end, she's
Down bar. Air raid crash! Air raid crash! Come on! Come! She goes to the top!
Not off the top.
Oh my God! Air raid crash! From the top! A super air raid crash! Counter.
Is she looking for the Luna landing early? No. She changes her air raid crash.
She cool-tops on Leon Slater. Dani Luna. Oh, connects. Oh my God. Look at Dani Luna just rocking in while Samoan Drop hanging onto her leg.
Luna landing. This could be it.
On her feet again, Luna lifting her up. Brutal.
It tells you everything about her. But tell what it could be. Big air raid crash.
End your propaganda train right now, because look at the strength of Dani Luna. High raid crash, hook of the leg.
Talk about adrenaline. Here is some. Luna's got her. Luna has her up. Luna able to drop her on the back of her neck.
Air raid crash drops her right on her neck.
Triple threat rules are far from standard. Everybody's at a lot higher risk here. Boom! First ball to a finish. Is this it?
Kryptonite crunch by Luna.
Once again.